to property transfers. We're going to talk about the essential elements of a valid deed first. A deed is the written instrument by which an owner of real estate voluntarily conveys rights, title, or interest in a parcel of real estate to another party. The statute of frauds requires that all deeds be in writing. In a deed, the owner or seller who transfers the title. The grantee is the party who acquires the title. A valid deed includes some essential elements. A valid deed must include following elements. The grantor must be legally competent to execute or sign the deed. Mental impairment at the time of signing makes the deed voidable. A deed signed by a minor is void. If a grantor is declared incompetent by a judge, the deed is void. The deed should include all names used by the grantor. The deed must include an identifiable grantee named in the deed. There must be consideration or a recital of consideration in the deed. Consideration means something you. And there must be a clause in the deed acknowledging that the grantor has received consideration. Deeds also must include a granting clause, which states the grantor's intention to convey the property. Within the granting clause is a habendum clause, which always begins with the words to have and to hold. Deeds also must contain an accurate legal description of the property being conveyed. There must be signatures of all grantors conveying title. The signatures must be acknowledged or notarized. There must be delivery of the deed and acceptance by the grantee. Deeds become valid and title transfers upon delivery of the deed and acceptance of the deed by the grantee.